What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be discussing the 1989 D error penny. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so if you look at this coin, it weighs 2.5 grams when I put it on the scale. Now that is the common weight of a 1989 Denver coin. But if you get a 1989 Denver penny and it weighs 3.1 grams or higher, then you have a hidden gem on your hands, and it is worth thousands of dollars, guys. In fact, I'm going to show you now how much recent sales are going for with this specific error. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.